Alright, part 3. Let's have a look, see what's rattling around inside. Whoopers. So, AliExpress says that their advertising isn't false and that they agree that I paid $375 just for 2 batteries, and their solution was to send them back and get a refund. But the fact that they agreed that the shop was not falsely advertising just pisses me off. So I'll keep them and have a look. I can use the cases with my own BMS. I mean, I only bought them for a project because there were 3 batteries. 1 and get 1 free. Buy 2 that says 3. Let's have a look, see what we got in here. Wires look thick enough. Whoop. There is some padding underneath, so there's a lot more room for but I can't find what was rattling. Let's see what happens. Nope, there it is. Oh, that's just a bit of hot glue. And there's a bit more hot glue. Alright, there's hot glue everywhere in there. And the pack itself looks okay. He does not want to come out. Alright, other side. Alright, longer ones at the top, back, and bound to be the same size. Yeah, fun down there, pussycat. Hey. full set of key and lock, 36 volt thing, charging wires a bit on the thin side. Alright, so okay, now let's just hot glue, because there is nothing else. So the whole thing slides out that way once you take this off. Bloody Chinese metal. Other screwdriver. I've got so much shit here and projects on the way. I think I really needed the white handle one. Look at that. That's even smaller. Oh, they're all over here. Where they should be, of course. Take that one and that one. Alright, let's have a look and see. Bloody Chinese metal, it is so thin. Here's too big. And this one. Okay, so there's your bottom case. Nothing else rattling around except hot glue. Push it out. Oh, well, that was a little. Should have been doing this on the workbench, but the workbench is full, and I want to see this. All right. There is your battery. So if I get the same cells and just add more to it, the BMS is here. I can turn this into an 18 or 20 amp because there's heaps of room in the case. Alright, so next job will be to cut it open, check out the BMS, and see what the cells are like, but we won't do that on here.